Alright, now today I have this iPhone 5. Now this is the same iPhone 5 I featured in the previous video about an iPhone 5, where I installed a new display. And that display had cum on, stuck to the display. It was probably super glue or something like that. So anyway, I have it back, and now I just sold the guy another phone, and he traded in this phone for $20 off, right? And so the thing about this phone is he said he factory reset it using a Cydia eraser. This is precisely what he said. Now, I don't know if this is actually the truth, you see, so I think he might have just gone into settings and then click erased all content in settings, because this phone was jailbroken, right? And now all it does now is it has an Apple logo, right? And now the thing about this is it's in a boot loop. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to make an attempt to restore it in iTunes. Now hopefully it's not water damaged or some complete bullshit like that. Because he said, yeah man, bet you can fix it. And I was like, okay, pay me a $10 deposit for the new phone, because I'm charging him $50 for an S5 that has some minor issues, but it's still fully functional. Well, it's functional, not fully functional. It's functional, right? For a Galaxy S5 that was on Verizon, right? And he said he just didn't want to use iOS anymore because it's complete trash. I don't know why he would say that. Well, non-jailbroken iOS is complete trash. But anyway, let's get this. Alright, and then we can do that. And there's paint on my pants. Yeah, it's not gonna come off anytime soon. Anyway, let's plug the phone in. Alright, first let's put it into recovery mode, actually, by holding down the home and power. Hopefully it can go into recovery mode. Alright, and then alright. Now he did say he did sign out of iCloud, so hopefully that's a real story. iTunes. Let's hold on, I think I actually have the so what I was saying is I think I actually have the IPSW for this, but it unfortunately got accidentally deleted. Like every IPSW that I had just got up and left. So let's just get in here, and I actually don't need a new folder. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go up to here. We're going to go to here. All right, iPhone 5, global, 10.3.3 download. Okay. Alright, so it finished downloading here. Let's get that open. Let's put this, drag it into there. Alright, then let's open that, restore. Great. Okay, so I'll get back to you once it's finished, hopefully. Alright, now the thing with that is, yeah, it's iCloud locked. So I am going to see if I can find him because there's only like 2 weeks of school left until summer break, and hopefully I run into him, which I most likely will. I don't think I actually have any classes with this guy. Actually, no, I probably have one class, just maybe like English, something. If I had to guess. Anyway, I'll get back to you if I'm able to fix this issue. So I was reviewing old footage to see if I can go through and delete some, and that just changed colors faster than it should have. Anyway, I was going through some old footage and I found some of me doing something to an iPhone 5, and then I said I'll get back to you when I get it on iCloud locked, and now that was a long time ago, and I apparently just never got around to telling you, yes, I in fact did get it on iCloud locked. So it's right here under a pile of other phones. I don't know if it's actually charged right now. Oh, it is. Hey, this looks... Okay, there we go. Yeah, but anyway, I got this fully functional. I'm assuming this is the phone I was talking about. I have to go watch some more of that footage to see and make sure I didn't already upload this to YouTube. Alright, yeah. Great, fully functional, no iCloud. Yeah, that's pretty great.